Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a beautiful earrings, and it's very easy to make as well. Okay, for this project you will need crochet thread, and I use double threads. Okay, use any color you like, and I used 2mm crochet hook, and you will need scissors and then hoop earrings. So this is 2 inches across. You can use any size you like, and you also need the beads. So each side I used 9 beads. Okay, so total you will need 18 beads. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I just gonna bring one thread first and then put the beads in that thread. 9 beads, okay? Alright, so just put the beads in there. I will meet you guys when you have total of 9 beads. Now I have 9 beads in my thread. I'm gonna move those beads into the bag. We're not gonna use that for a while. And then bring another thread. Like I said, I use 2 threads together. So see, one thread I have the beads, one thread doesn't. Okay. And then first you're gonna make a slip knot. Insert crochet hook in there and bring your earring. And we're gonna make a single crochet into this ring space. Okay, so just insert the hook into this ring. So for the tail, I'm gonna weave the end at the same time, so I just hold the tail like this. Okay, and then insert the hook into that ring, pull up the loop like single crochet. So this is first single crochet. Do that again. Insert the hook, pull up the loop. This is second single crochet. Do that again. Insert the hook, pull up the loop, pull out the loop. This is third single crochet. Fourth single crochet. Fifth. So we're gonna make single crochet into this ring till we have total of 36 single crochet stitches, and I will meet you guys there. Okay, so I have 36 single crochet stitches. So for the tail, I'm gonna pull a little bit and then trim that tail out. Okay, oops. And then next row you're gonna chain 1, turn it over, and then skip the first stitch here, skip that one, single crochet into next one. See, skip this one, single crochet into this one, and then skip next stitch, single crochet into next stitch. Okay, we're just repeating this. So skip one stitch, single crochet into next stitch, and skip one stitch, single crochet into next stitch. Alright, skip one stitch, single crochet into next stitch. You just keep repeating this till you come to the end, and I will meet you guys there. Okay, when you come to the end, for the last stitch, do the same. Skip next stitch and then single crochet into the last stitch. But for the last stitch, it's so difficult to see, and I just want to show you guys. So skip next one and single crochet into next one, which is the last stitch. Alright, when you come to the end, you will have total of 18 single crochet stitches, and then next row you chain one, turn it over, and skip one stitch, single crochet into next stitch. We repeating this, okay? Skip one stitch, single crochet into next stitch, and skip one stitch, single crochet into next stitch. So keep repeating this till you come to the end, and I will meet you guys there. Okay, when you come to the end, you will have 9 single crochet stitches. So it's gonna be inside like that. See, like that part. Okay. And then next row, oops, sorry, you chain one and then turn, okay? Chain one first and then turn, and then we're gonna work with the beads that we have right there. Put that bead here, so it's difficult to see, so watch carefully. And I gonna make single crochet into next stitch, but you just insert the hook, and when you pull up the loop, you need to bring one bead here. See, insert the hook, and when I pull up the loop, I gonna put the bead in between. Pull up the loop, pull out the loop, like single crochet. Okay, see, we have our first bead, and then do the same, bring the second bead, insert the hook into next stitch, and then pull up the loop, put the beads into in the between. Okay, show you guys again. Insert the hook, pull up the loop, pull out the loop. See, we have 2 beads, and then bring the next bead, and do the same. Insert the hook into next stitch, next stitch here, and then when you pull up the loop, pull up the loop like that, make single crochet. We have 3 beads. Do the same, bring the next bead, insert the hook into next stitch, and then pull up the loop, like single crochet. Do the same, bring the next bead, insert the hook, pull up the loop, pull out the loop, like single crochet. We just keep doing the same thing, okay? Okay, for the last bead, do the same. Insert the hook into the last stitch. Pull up the loop. Pull out the loop. Alright. See? That's what it looks like so far. So beautiful. Okay, so for final row, we're gonna turn our work. So my thread is on the back side, so I need to bring to the front side. Okay, so when we turn our work this row, you don't need to make chain one or anything. Okay, so we're gonna make slip stitch into this row. So skip the first stitch and then slip stitch into next stitch. Insert the hook, pull up the loop and pull through, and then slip stitch into next stitch and slip stitch into next stitch, and then we just keep repeating this. Make slip stitch into each stitch till you have 2 stitches left. And now you have 2 stitches left. You need to skip the next stitch and slip stitch into the last stitch. I hope you can see. And now we done. Gonna cut that thread and then weave the end. Okay, so you might need your needle if you like, but for me I don't need one. I'm just gonna use my crochet hook. So nothing special, just hide the tail. Okay, so make sure it's secure and then you just trim the tail. Okay, yeah, so now we're done. So I'm just gonna move a little bit to make it even. So now we have a beautiful earrings. So if you like to move this, you can move as well, you know, like to be this side. It's really cool. And then move back. You can do many different style. Or if you move this side, you might want to move this side too. See? Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give me a thumb up and subscribe on my channel, and see you next video. Bye.